how to recover forgotten Amazon account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Amazon app on your device and you will be led to the home page. Tap on the sign in button you see there and further enter your email address or phone number and tap on the continue button. You will then be required to enter your password. So since we want to reset our password, tap on the forgot password option. You will then be required to re-enter your email or phone number. Once entered, tap on the continue button. You will then receive a verification code in the email address you just entered. So go ahead and enter the verification code and tap on the submit code button, and with this you will be required to enter a new password. Go ahead and enter a new password and make sure to meet all the password requirements shown below in order to be able to change your password. So, this is how you can recover forgotten Amazon account password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.